And just to add to that, we have an event full circle in November 1st. We're throwing the biggest cruise line party in Singapore. It's called It's the Ship, November 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, 3,500 people. You hit us up with the cabins. We got you on. It's our Halloween party. Just to go, what you were doing back then, full circle comes back in full circle, full circle, full circle. So this is a crazy story because I told my boys, I'm like, yo, man, I threw a boat party when I was 18, and now I'm throwing a fucking cruise line party for 3,500 people in Singapore called It's the Ship, baby. Festival on the water, Halloween party. You should better pull up to that.
All right, so make sure Ricky put the description